Welcome. It is very simple to set up for live stream. We are connected with wireless connection on, and we are prompted with the GoPro app enable preview. Please, at GoPro, we never had enable preview on the app. It's now an additional step to connect your phone. Prompt to join. We are now about ready to go to live stream if we follow these steps. On this particular area with the latest firmware, setup live, we simply click the badge. We choose the platform of Facebook, YouTube, Twitch, or RTMP to any site. We're going to do YouTube. If you have more than one account, you, the user, need to pay attention to which account you are setting up to. Connect to a network, share to, title, description, resolution, save a copy, YouTube account. Having troubles. We are going to log out. We're going to log back in. Allow YouTube Live. Cancel. Allow. GoPro wants to use google.com to sign in. Cancel. Continue. If you follow these steps, you notice I have two different accounts. I am going to my account. I'm paying attention to my user photo. I am clicking on it. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different badges, channels. This one is my main account. This is just one I changed years ago. And this was years ago, duplicated. I would love to get rid of these two accounts. They are totally useless in doing so. And this one as well, which is unknown. This one here of my picture and the background is the account I want to be affiliated to. All I do is choose that account. I am now set up to stream. It is the account that I have over 1,000 subscribers. And the rest is history. I select my Wi-Fi network. I put in my password. I'm leaving it unlisted. I must put in the title. I want to save a copy, and I want to save it in the resolution I choose. Save a high resolution version to my SD card. I have no choice but to accept this. And I'm not sure if it's 1080p, 1440, 2.7, or 4K. It does not say. In my description again, I put down test. It had to have a title, and that's why I was having trouble. My resolution of recording is 720p hotspot, 1080p home router. I'm ready to stream. It gives me some tips. There we are now, go live. Before it said set up. As we press live, we are now streaming live. This is our stream health. We could view our stream to see if we're streaming to YouTube. It's streaming to the channel I've chosen. We are now streaming live. It's streamed to the channel I've chosen. I want to now end it. I hit the home screen. I go back to GoPro and I hit the square stop. I wait for it to say done. I click on done. It turns off live streaming. It goes back to the camera. If I want to continue with the controls of the camera, I can do so. And if I want to now close out my camera, I do so by going again into the settings, hitting the off, pressing to the side, now shutting down my camera. This will now say lost connection. To make sure it says lost connection and things are off, you'll see it will not try to connect. It is that difficult to pick a different channel. It is quite simple to change your channel. And people are having difficulty in trying to change their brand. It's very simple to do. I want to thank you very much for stopping by and have a great day.